2020 GT Mustang GT500 Golden Ticket Edition carbon fiber track package. This car has 70 miles, can be purchased for $125. Basically all options, and you had to win the Ford Golden Ticket Lottery to even be able to be presented an opportunity at this car. Thankfully, this is one of our high-end customers that did win the opportunity to buy this car. Of course, just like any of these supercars of today, had to pay far above sticker. Put it in his collection, enjoyed it for about 6 months. Drove it home, and that was it. And then it became available to us. Very nice looking car. Call with any questions.